designer with a background in architecture. So today I'm here to discuss about the UX strategy. So how it drive impactful in design and showcase an example of applying it in the context of B2B project. So I transitioned from a decade-long journey in architecture and project management for global brands to becoming a senior UX designer. So blending my expertise in physical and digital design to create user-centered experiences in automotive, manufacturing, and advertising industry. So today I'm introduce the key element of UX strategy, why it matter, and a case study that highlight practical application in a project for Subaru. So what exactly is UX strategy? So to put it in simple, UX strategy is the bridge between user experience, design, and business strategy. It is the foundation that ensures every design decision services a purpose, not just for the user, but for the business as well. So as Don Normans, the founder of model user experience, said, a great strategy connects user needs with business goals to create solutions that matter. So let's take a moment to understand why it matters. So especially in agency work. So first is clarifies complexities. So UX strategy takes all the chaotic conditions, different opinions, conflicting requirements, and organize them into clear directions that align with both user needs and business goal. So it's about bringing order to the chaos. So second, it bridge strategy and creativity. So a well-defined strategy provides a structured framework that allows a creative team to explore and execute innovative design while staying aligned with the overall goals. For agency and B2B project, this is especially critical. And UX strategy aligns stakeholders and simplify decision making. Ensure that the design process not only meet business objectives, but also for user. So finally, it's transfer insight into action. So by analyzing data, conducting research, and understanding user behaviors, UX strategy turn those insights into actionable steps. So paving the way for design solution. So this is why UX strategy is necessary for delivering meaningful results-driven experiences. So here is for core elements of UX strategy. So business goals, user needs, market position, and execution framework. So first we have a business goal, always starting from it. So this is about understanding what organizations wants to achieve, whether it's increasing conversation, sometimes enhancing brand loyalty, or boosting user retention. Aligning with these goals ensure that every design decision serves a greater purpose. So for example, a project might focus on simplifying a checkout process to improve conversation rates by 20%. So normally we do like interview or workshop in this phase. So next is user needs. So understand user pinpoint and expectation is critical. This is where user research come into play. Conducting user interview, survey, and creating personas to present target user. For example, in a recent project, we discovered through user research that unclear navigation was a major pain point. So simplified become a top priority. And the third one is market positioning. This involves analyzing a competitor to identify industry standards and opportunity for differentiation. So it's not just about doing what others are doing, but to find a way to stand out. So finally, we have an execution framework. So this is about turning strategy into action. It involves defining the tools, processes, and the collaboration method that will bring the strategy to life. So for example, using tool like Figma for prototyping, Miro for brainstorming, etc. So that the team stay on the track and deliver results efficiently. So these four elements work together to create a UX strategy that align with both user expectation and business success. So now let's take a look at the real-world example to see UX strategy in action, the Subaru project. So this case study highlights how we apply UX strategy to improve user engagement and align with business goal. So actually, when I was preparing this presentation, I debated which example to include. So should I showcase a project that involved a complete process, like user interview, in-depth research, and months of development? Or should I focus on a shorter, more fast-paced example, so where the strategy was created with a time frame but still deliver meaningful result? So I choose the later. So why? Because this shorter, time-sensitive project are reality we often face. So especially in the agency or B2B environments. So they offers a fresh perspective on how we can adapt and create effective strategies, even under constraints. With that, let's dive into the Subaru project. So the client came to us with some high-level objective, but without much specific guidelines. They had two main goals. First, they want to make customer fall in love with the brand by creating the Subaru product. And second, they aim to convey Subaru's development DNA and core value to help deepen customer understanding of their vehicles. So while these were inspiring goals, but they were also very broad and abstract, which means it was up to us to define these specifics and turn this idea into a clear strategy. So to make things even more challenging, we were given just 2 weeks to craft a compelling pitch. So this tight timeline pushed us to work quickly and efficiently. So relying on a structured UX strategy to guide the way. Oh, by the way, the deliverable will be the new creation of a DNA page and the contents update and contents update about 20 pages. So because the time too tight, so we come up with the execution framework first. We started defining the result we have and the role of them. So for example, our design team has 2 like UI designer and 2 creative designer and IP supporter, something like that. And as well, we like how to go with the project. Our UX team will define the strategy and guide the creative team to design. And sorry, I skipped this one. The data availability. So do we have enough existing data, or do we need to collect new insight to support the strategy? So the resource we have only brand guidebook. So as action, we need to collect more data for understanding our user. And the time is just 2 weeks. So we will use 1 week for deliver the strategy. And the second week, we will work with the creative design team to deliver the design. and we will support on the usability and accessibility of the website design. And the tools we have Figma, Miro, Google Analytics, etc. So we will use Figma with the UX team, ensuring the website meets accessibility and usability standards. So here's our two objective our clients want to achieve. What's happened? Oh, sorry. So according to these two high-level objectives, understanding user concerns, we conduct the I want to understand the user contents, so we conduct this SEO research across 5 continents. The market is not in Japan, is except for Japan and the US market. So which just mean we don't have resource or enough time to have a really good user interview or surveys to understand user needs. So for get more data, we decided to conduct the SEO research on different market to gathering what kind of things our user want to know about Subaru. And we also want to understand the current website UX situation. So we conduct a heuristic evaluation in our UX team. So we gathering those evaluation point into some design recommendation. We need to fix that thing. We need to fix those things to increasing the usabilities. So another objective is about convey the value from the Subaru. And first of all, we're gonna understand what is Subaru CNA. So we get this part from the brand guidebook. There are 4 value here. Sorry, the word is so small. Like safety, longevity, drivability, and how to spell that? Versatility. Yeah. And from this 4 value, we are thinking about how to restructure the website. We have a set map and analysis, and fix some navigation problem, and give our design team wireframe. We need to put that value. We need to put those value into the website to make the design more make sense. So finally, we finished that research part, and we still have time. So we gave our design team a design recommendation, and collecting some best practice case study, and also telling our clients how to measure the performance in the future. So we give this guideline to our design team, and the strategy part is done here. So I hope this provides you with an insight into how your strategy can be applied in real-world projects and why it's essential in today's design landscape. And thank you for your time and attention. I'm happy to answer any question or discuss how we can